Hello viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel, Top 5 Hunter. We are coming up with another great video for the top 5 best 3D printers right now. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, and turn on notifications so that you never miss a new video. Number 1. ELEGOO Mercury Plus 2-in-1. Sealed washing to prevent the volatilization of alcohol during the cleaning process. Fan-less curing mode makes it quieter to use. The anti-UV lid can block 99.95% of ultraviolet rays to protect your eyes. The front TFT screen can directly display the setting time and remaining time, and the operation is simple and intuitive. With built-in 16 PCS of 405 nm UV LED and a 360-degree rotating turntable, you can uniformly cure the model. The models can be placed in a cleaning basket to be cleaned separately, or mount the build plate with models on it and wash them together, which can avoid direct contact with the uncured resin. The height of the platform bracket can be adjusted to fit the liquid level in the bucket. Compatible with most of the LCD/DLP/SLA 3D printers like ELEGOO Mars, Mars Pro, Mars C, Photon, Photon S, etc., which provides you ideal support for washing and curing your 3D resin prints. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 2. Official Creality Ender 3 Pro. Fully open source. Allow users to improve their printer upon the source code and share the changes within the community, resulting in an improved experience for all. Ideal gift for kids. This semi-assembled kit 3D printer is a perfect gift for kids, allowing them to learn about the basic construction of 3D printers. Ideal for STEM projects. Invite imagination and innovation to students. Help them discover the wonders of all the STEM fields. Branded Meanwell power supply ensures stable and sufficient power. Heat hot bed fastly. Improved build surface protects your heated bed and easy to remove the printing models after cooling. New 4040 Y-axis frame design, improving the stability of the printing platform. Ender 3 Pro can resume printing after a power outage or any other unexpected stoppage. Branded power supply and high-watt hotbed ensure fast heating to the printing platform. Greatly reduces the risk of a clogged nozzle and bad extrusion. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 3. ELEGOO Resin 3D Printer Mars 2 Pro. Mars 2 Pro comes with a 6.08-inch monochrome LCD of 2K HD resolution and only takes 2 seconds per layer exposure to cure resin, which could significantly enhance your printing efficiency. Mono LCD has a much longer lifespan and stable performance during long-term printing, thus saving your cost. Brand new light source structure provides more even UV light emission, and working together with 2K Mono LCD, the printing details and precision are greatly improved and the 3D printed models are fascinating. CNC machined aluminum body makes Mars 2 Pro a very formidable machine. A newly designed sandblasted build plate has a much stronger adherence during printing and enables consistent printing success. Built-in active carbon could absorb the fume of resin and offer you a refreshing printing experience. Mars 2 Pro now supports 12 kinds of languages, so customers across the world could operate the 3D printer more conveniently without barriers. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 4. Dremel 3D 4501 DigiLab 3D 45. This flagship printer is Dremel's third generation and is engineered for anyone from a first-time user to an advanced professional to operate. Backed by Dremel's lifetime support, the 3D 45 is incredibly reliable and built for heavy usage. With easy-to-use features, a quick start guide, and everything you need in the box, you can go from unboxing to printing in minutes. Designed for high quality and reliability, this is the engine that powers the 3D 45 forward. The direct drive, the all-metal extruder is clog-resistant and delivers smooth 3D prints. This high-powered extruder heats up to 280 deg C for flexibility in different print materials. The filament run-out detection resumes printing where you left off when filament runs out. The built-in automatic leveling sensor adds precision leveling for even more reliable printing. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 5. FlashForge Adventurer 3. Removable and heating bed, much easier to take down models. Remove the nozzle from extruder just in one push. Stainless steel tube material. Nozzle fast, heated to 240 deg C in 50 seconds. If you need to print high-temperature filaments, you could install a 0.3, 0.4, 0.6 mm 265 nozzle. Printing will be suspended automatically when the filament is broken or used up, and printing will be resumed after the user replaces the new filament. Best 3D printers for beginners, super quiet, the sound of operation is 50 decibels. A fun STEM educational experience in mechanical engineering and electronics. FlashForge 3D Printer Adventurer, free 12 months warranty, lifetime technical assistance, and 24 hours professional customer service. Detachable nozzle. Remove the nozzle from extruder just in one push. Stainless steel tube material. Nozzle fast, heated to 240 deg C in 50 seconds. If you need to print high-temperature filaments, you could install a 0.3, 0.4, 0.6 mm 265 nozzle. Please comment on which product you like the most. Let us know your opinion on the topic for our next video. We are done for today. See you again next time. Thank you.